I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your SIM card on Vodafone UK is straightforward and you can do it without losing any data. Here's how. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM card. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the SIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup your data. Before you swap SIMs, back up your contacts and any important data. You can use cloud services or your phone's built-in backup feature. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone to prevent any potential damage or data loss during the SIM swap. This is a crucial step that many overlook. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open the tray and carefully remove your old SIM card. Step 5. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Push the tray back into the device and power it on. Check that you have signal and can make calls. If you accidentally insert the SIM card upside down, your device may not recognize it. Just remove it and try again. I hope this helps you with your SIM card change. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.